Meaning of hard of hearing.
Hard of hearing.
Hard of hearing.
Hard of hearing.
Hard of hearing. The term hard of hearing refers to a person who has a partial loss of hearing, making it difficult for them to understand speech and other sounds. It is different from being completely deaf, as individuals who are hard of hearing still have some degree of hearing ability. The severity of the hearing loss can vary, ranging from mild to profound. Hard of hearing individuals may require hearing aids or other devices to assist with communication. Additionally, they may face challenges in social situations and may need to rely on lip reading, sign language, or written communication to converse effectively.